Hey guys, today I'm here to discuss you with some features of security on Zoom meeting. We are using Zoom meeting for our meeting, educational meetings and professional meetings and so on. So we must check it out for any security issue and Zoom providing all security features. We must need to enable them and as per our requirements. So here I will tell you all security features that we must use on every Zoom meeting. So here first of all I will tell you, whenever you start the meeting you can use your personal meeting ID, but if you are on basic account you cannot change your personal meeting ID. So I recommend you to start without your personal meeting ID so that no unknown participant can join to after getting your link, and whenever you change the meeting the previous link will not work for that. So here let me go. I have given the link of here in the video description so that you can go here. If it needs login, you can log in by your account. So guys, as I have already logged in, you can log in and then click on the link which is given in the video description, and you can go here easily. So here if you are using a personal meeting ID, or if you are so here if you are using basic meeting, you can go here and turn this on and this on, and you can make chat only to host but after starting the meeting, or and after this you can make this like as I have done in this, and this you must check that screen share is off or on. Screen share for or host only must be on, and it must be on. Most probably it creates problem for meeting securities that anyone starts sharing a screen, and so you must check it out to turn it on, and only turn it on for the host, or if you can make remain it off, it will be better. So here you can start sharing screen after someone else sharing. If it is all participant, then host only can interrupt if someone is sharing, but I want you to make it only by host. Okay, and disable desktop screen share for users. I have disabled it, and annotation I have enabled, but I can turn off it during my screen sharing. And whiteboard, allow participant to sharing whiteboard, I have allowed, uh, and I have allowed, but I will turn off annotation during screen share, so there is no issue. Remote control is on so that host can give remote control of the screen to the any participant. Non-verbal feedback is on. I will show you what is non-verbal feedback if I will start meeting here, and it is starting. It is started. So here is this I will show you chat participant. This is non-verbal feedback. This type of no, yes, go slow, go faster, and more, like coffee, clap, like, dislike, need a break, away, and so much is there. Or I was discussing about chat, so you can also change it from here. Participant can chat with only host. It will be better if you make it only host, not everyone or publicly. So I can't minimize it, so I will open it over there. Here allow remote participant to rejoin, so make it off, so that if you remove some unknown user, he can't rejoin the meeting. And allow participant to rename, you must make it off, so that if someone makes a policy violation or some other violation, you can identify the name of the user or if someone chat or hear a issue, you can check the name from there. So so hide participant profile in meeting. You don't no need to hide, because we can to know after this who who is in the meeting, and the profile picture or participant will be shown in the gallery view. So I have discussed your basic features. There are highly advanced features in this meeting, so that you can use if you have advanced account. So in this video, uh, that's all for this video. So guys, this is how you can secure your Zoom meeting. If you are using Zoom, it will be better if you apply all security features. If you are near and dears and someone others is using Zoom meeting, share this video to him, so that he will secure his all Zoom meetings, so that no intruders can attack on the meeting, and all will be the safe. So take care, goodbye.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for such videos. And comment below for any queries.